Welcome to the Hackingtons Scratch Show. So this is how it works. Kids code awesome Scratch games at home or school or at their code school or wherever, and you could submit them on hackingtons.com/scratch right here. Submit your game. And right there is my book. Yes, my book is coming out. It's for beginners, but it has some pretty cool advanced stuff as well. If you're just getting into Scratch coding, definitely buy it on Amazon or Barnes & Noble or wherever you buy your books. So let's jump right in and let's check out what we have first. It's Super Sprint by Jesus Rosero. That's a cool name, Rosero, and it's a racing game. Okay, let's play this game. Okay, so, wow, I can hit the... if you bump into each other... Okay, we're going to try this again. Okay, take the corner. Ah! And what is the other guy? The other guy, it's like suicide. Just goes for the wall. Okay, we have Loven Rack by Luki Natuki. The name should earn an award. Anyways, let's play this game. A+ for this soundtrack. Find the purple blob. No idea. I think I've seen this game before where it's like right there. I found it. Am I on like level 2 now? This is pretty complex coding. I don't think this is your first time doing Scratch. Catch every single apple. It take forever. Did I do it? I made it to the next level. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna go up there. What am I playing next? Dodge the... Okay. Okay, we have Game Show by Codeman 3000. Let's see what this is all about. Hello and welcome back, door 1 or 2. Hi, Barry. Hackingtons, yeah! Which door do we want? Door number 2. Gotta go with that. Come on, 2 idiot. No, I don't like this game anymore. Up next is Fire Kitten 123456. Their game called Card Game Luck Based. Let's see how I do. Gonna go ahead and click the start flag and draw my card. Click one of us to choose. They're not like right in a row, so I'm gonna have to go with Dragon. I feel disappointed. Like I'm not really sure what just happened. Should I just keep playing again? Okay, they're all the same. Ah! That's all for episode 1. If you want to check out and play these projects, go to hackingtons.com/scratch and you can find a link to go to our studio on Scratch. I'll see you next time.